Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh shit. So today, what are we gonna do today? So we're gonna be doing a more of a natural look today. So I'm gonna attempt my hardest because I don't really do natural-ish makeup. Anyways, we're gonna be taking NYX Honey Do Me Up primer thing. Okay. So I'm gonna see how just concealer looks. 'Cause I don't really do like natural makeup or like a no makeup thing, but we'll see what we can do. Taking this powder foundation from Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage. I'm 120, so we're gonna be taking a M439 and just tapping it in. So we're just gonna be taking a little bit of bronzer, just a tiny bit. So we're gonna go into the mini breaker, and I think we're gonna get into bubblegum and foreplay as our blush. Tap and drag, boys. And now we're gonna go back into that bronzer. We're just going to add a little bit into our crease. Now, so I kind of want some fake freckles. So we're going to get some face paint and water. So we're gonna go into the brown. Remember, you want the brush, well, I seen this somewhere, I don't remember where, but you want the brush wet enough and enough paint to be on there so you can flick it. I feel some. Probably need a different brush. Okay, I grabbed two other options. I'm gonna try this one first. I felt it. Oh my god. That's a lot. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. What do I do? Are you kidding me? I mean, it's working, but I didn't want it like that. how can I fix this? So I'm back again with a fresh face. So we're just gonna take some bronzer and just go along the how do you say that? Lash line. And then to have just a little teeny weeny bit of highlighter, just a little bit. I'm gonna curl the lashes. Then you can add lashes or whatever you want to your lashes. I'm gonna just add mascara. Then we're just gonna take some lip gloss. So, this is the end of the video. Leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Even though this had some fails, this actually looks good. Like, this is my first time like really attempting to do like a natural face. And honestly, you can't even tell I'm wearing makeup and just on my eyebrows and eyelashes. Hey you, does it look like I have makeup on? Where? It looks like you put foundation. Never mind then, I guess this is a not natural makeup. I was trying to go for a no makeup.
It looks like you have gloss or chapstick.
Well,
Your, skin.
well, that's the thing. It wasn't supposed to look. Well, I don't even know how to explain it.
Well, don't.
But it was supposed to look like I had. Well, like you could tell that I had makeup on, but then like if you didn't know who I was, then you would have been like, oh, she probably doesn't wear makeup.
I mean, since I know like how your skin looks 24/7, that's probably why I thought that you have foundation.
It's just concealer.
Huh?
I said it's just concealer, and then I patted this powder foundation all over my face. And then I put a little blush. But yeah, you know, some faces are naturally pink.
Yeah.
Or have like a little blush to it.
Tint.
Little tint, like.
Sorry, you need to be stopped.
No. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Even though I had 2 attempted fails at freckles. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.